In this video, I will show you how to make a stand in PLS Donate. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Roblox application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Roblox homepage. On this page, you can view and explore all the available games. Search for PLS Donate and tap on the play button to open it. Once you're in the game, go over to the unclaimed booth as shown. Then, tap on Stand. You have now successfully claimed this booth. Here, tap on Yes if you want to take a quick tutorial of the game first. After that, read the instructions and keep tapping on Next to complete the tutorial. Once you're done, tap on Thanks. Now, tap on Stand again to edit it. Over here, you can edit your booth settings such as the text font, color, booth customization, and more. Tap on Text to change the booth name. Then, type in the new name for your booth. You can now change the other settings as you like and then go back. As you can see, your new booth settings have now been successfully set. And that's it. You can now easily make a stand in PLS Donate.